back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export Anki cards to Google Sheets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to export Anki cards to your Google Sheets, all you gotta do is simply use the method manual export and import CSV, or use an add-on. So to export Anki cards to Google Sheet, the most common method is to export your Anki deck as a CSV file. Once you have applied this method, you can import that CSV into your Google Sheets, mapping your Anki fields like front back columns, which allows for easy editing and re-importing. Through you can also use specialized Anki add-ons or APIs like AnkiConnect for more automations. So if you're going to do this, you will be able to export your Anki cards to your Google Sheets. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.